Hello and welcome to another one of my director's cuts. This is Edinburgh Castle and it is Monday the 22nd of April 2019. This is going to be the Edinburgh Castle changing of the guard. This ceremony happens every time there's going to be a gun salute, and today the gun salute is going to be for HM Queen Elizabeth's 93rd birthday, which was the previous day, the Sunday, but there's never any gun salutes happen on a Sunday, so it rolls over to the Monday. The Queen's not here, by the way. This is 3 SCOTS, the Black Watch pipes and drums. Tunes that they're playing are the Atholl Highlanders and the Steamboats, a mixture of the two. And you could just see the Edinburgh Castle Guard behind them there, so they're peeling off to the right. Absolutely wonderful day of weather in Edinburgh today. Crisp, clear, spring day. Unfortunately, in 2020, this gun salute will not take place due to the coronavirus, which has scuppered virtually everything for the year. Edinburgh military tattoos cancelled. So that's the drum major at the front with the mace. He's responsible for starting and stopping the tunes, using the movements of the mace. He's about to bring this tune, which is the Steamboats, to a halt. This tune is the Green Hills of Tyrol, sometimes called a Scottish soldier. So they play this tune while the troops are inspected. For some reason, Content ID on YouTube identifies this tune as being copyrighted. So unless I talk over the top of it, it'll end up being blank. So there's the inspection of the troops taking place. So after this, the two of them are going to guard the Edinburgh Castle's main entrance there. You can see the sentry box at either side. And two of them are going to go up to the Scottish War Memorial, which is at the top of the castle. And again, there's sentry boxes either side of the entrance to the Scottish War Memorial. So what we're going to see today is a 21 gun salute for Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It's her 93rd birthday, and there are going to be 3 field guns instead of the usual 1 field gun, which is the 1 o'clock gun, and they're going to fire 21 rounds at midday.
Well, there's his birthday, which technically was yesterday, and then there's the Ascension of the Throne, which is when her father died. When that happens, Prince Philip has his birthday in July. This conflict is when you go in, 12 o'clock, they do the gun salute as well, so that's the second time. They're firing mechanics 21 times.
Guard set! In close order! Right, dress!
Man forward. Still! Stand still! Left front right! Eyes! Puck!
Edinburgh Castle Guard! Slow! Arms! Edinburgh Castle Guard will move to the right in 3. Right! Set!
So now the inspection's over.
Edinburgh Castle Guard! Fire right! Right wheel! Quick! March!
This tune is Heilan, Laddie. YouTube's Content ID system recognises this as being copyrighted too, despite being an ancient tune of hundreds of years old, and therefore if I don't speak over the top of it, and content ID spots at this video will be banned in 262 countries. Edinburgh Castle's looking superb today, and the band are about to march off into the castle. So they move it now into Scotland the Brave, and it also goes hand in hand with the Black Bear. When these are played on this particular area at the end of the military tattoo, with the massed bands, so it's about 12 pipe bands playing Scotland the Brave and the Black Bear in unison, it's quite something. Drum majors getting them ready to march off. They're going to march into the castle. This is the Black Bear now. So a few people have asked me what the battle cry is that everybody shouts during the Black Bear. You just heard it there. I reached out to that fella there, the pipe sergeant of the 3 Scots of Black Watch, and he tells me it's an old battle cry, yee-uke. Or maybe yee-uke. So it's £20 to get into Edinburgh Castle. I've got a historic Scotland pass, so I get in for free, and I have attended all of the gun salutes last year, I think. That was in 2019. This is 2020. Easter Sunday. And thanks for watching.